Today, I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect extremely fast in Photoshop, transforming your photo into a result just like this. Start with your image open. For best results, let's make it black and white. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to quickly desaturate it. Next, duplicate this layer, and a copy will appear in the Layers panel. Select the top layer. Double-click on it to open the Blending options. In the Advanced Blending section, uncheck the box for the R channel and click OK. Select the Move tool or press Ctrl plus T to move the layer. Now, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move it slightly to the left or right. The color separation effect will appear instantly, and you're done. This is the final result of our simplified glitch effect. For an extra tip, you can place a scan lines image on top of everything. Just change the blending mode of the scan lines layer to overlay and adjust the opacity. This adds a really interesting texture. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to see the next videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.